This is the Edgewood Middle School Spelling Bee pretest. Please write or print your answers legibly on your answer sheet. Number 1, casserole. Casserole. Laura baked chicken and broccoli in a casserole. Casserole. Number 2, mildew. Mildew. Books stored in a cellar are susceptible to damage from mildew. Mildew. Number 3, artificial. Artificial. Betty placed an artificial rose in every bud vase in the cafe. Artificial. Number 4, apology. Apology. The teacher received a sincere apology from the disrespectful student. Apology. Number 5, velocity. Velocity. George estimates that the velocity of the wind is 22 miles per hour. Velocity. Number 6, denominator. Denominator. The teacher spent today's math period teaching the students how to find the least common denominator of the fractions 1/5, 1/6, and 1/15. Denominator. Number 7, condemn. Condemn. Often, custom justifies an action that years later it will condemn. Condemn. Number 8, faucet. Faucet. When Kitty turned the handle of the faucet, only a slow trickle of water emerged. Faucet. Number 9, scruple. Scruple. Because of an ecological scruple, Rachel never buys bottled water. Scruple. Number 10, quarantine. Quarantine. Were it not for the quarantine, the port city might have experienced an outbreak of a deadly strain of flu. Quarantine. Number 11, oblige. Oblige. The new rules oblige students to wear mandatory uniforms to school. Oblige. Number 12, subterranean. Subterranean. The mole is a subterranean creature. Subterranean. Number 13, indelible. Indelible. Lily's narrow escape from drowning left an indelible mark on her personality. Indelible. Number 14, rutabaga. Rutabaga. Julia diced a rutabaga and added it to the vegetable soup that she was making. Rutabaga. Number 15, larynx. Larynx. The vocal cords are situated within the larynx. Larynx. Number 16. Accomplice. Accomplice. The juvenile was convicted as an accomplice in the robbery. Accomplice. Number 17. Ineffable. Ineffable. Billy felt ineffable joy when his parents presented him with a puppy. Ineffable. Number 18. Fallacy. Fallacy. Though Ben's argument may seem credible, it is pure fallacy. Fallacy. Number 19. Vengeance. Vengeance. The defeated rebels howled with rage and fury and swore bloody vengeance. Vengeance. Number 20. Labyrinth. Labyrinth. Carol brags about being the first person in her class to reach the middle of the labyrinth behind the governor's palace on their trip to Colonial Williamsburg. Labyrinth. Number 21. Cajolery. Cajolery. After much cajolery, the kitten finally came down from the tree. Cajolery. Number 22. Rotisserie. Rotisserie. Herb used the rotisserie on his new gas grill to cook hens for supper. Rotisserie. Number 23. Omniscient. Omniscient. Many people believe in an omniscient deity or God. Omniscient. Number 24. Circuitous. Circuitous. The road going up the mountain was increasingly circuitous. Circuitous. Number 25. Conundrum. Conundrum. As a mayoral candidate, Kevin spent weeks puzzling over the conundrum of how to balance the city's budget while maintaining its services. Conundrum. Number 26. Palatable. Palatable. George dislikes broccoli, but finds it palatable if it is topped with melted cheese. Palatable. Number 27. Infatuation. Infatuation. Tim's parents were concerned about his infatuation with video games. Infatuation. Number 28. Adieu. Adieu. Adieu, my friends, called the fur trapper as he paddled away from the shore. Adieu. Number 29. Calisthenics. Calisthenics. Aunt Julia does calisthenics twice a week in a program called Body Recall, calisthenics. "30. Anemone. Anemone. An anemone attaches itself to a rock or coral reef and feeds on organisms that pass by. Anemone." This completes the Edgewood Spelling Bee Pretest. The end.